go. First camping trip of 2021. All right, I'm excited. Got a long drive. We'll see you at the campground. Look at that background. Isn't that gorgeous? Yeah, so I got the wife this fishing pole here for Christmas, and she is eager to use it. So I have to teach her how to actually use one of these normal reels that most of us are growing up on. This should be fun. All right, I think we got her set up to go.
Which one of these to use, do you know?
I don't know.
Exactly. Honey.
See if you're a fish. Woo.
The fish gonna eat that. How fish gonna get on the hook?
He's gonna inhale the whole thing.
You think fish has the big mouth like that? Yeah. Okay.
All within the same motion, right? You're gonna flick this thing and let go of the string. Now, as soon as you pull back, it's gonna.
Do you catch the fish? No.
You're supposed to hold it and.
I don't know. When we were kids, I never remember doing it like this. I remember staying on one spot, waiting for the fish to catch.
This is her idea of fishing. Yeah, that's when you use a bobber and a worm, and you're doing catfish.
Not catfish. We didn't have catfish.
Whatever fish that you're using a bobber and a worm. Yeah, then you just sit there and wait for it to attack it.
Well, what does that mean?
This is using a lure.
Okay.
Why did I get her this?
I don't think I'll get it.
Not like that, you're not.
Well, how?
Cast that thing out.
Well, there's people coming.
Oh my god.
Cast that thing out.
That's why I would love coming camping. It's so beautiful out here. Look at that. This is our campsite too. I mean, look, there's the RV, there's Heavy Chevy. This is our view. This might actually look familiar. Yeah, this is where we went camping in December. It's the same exact campsite, same exact spot. It was so nice. We had to come back when it was warmer to enjoy it. We just had to. It was just too cold last time. See how our little fisherman's doing. It's the first time she's using her Christmas gift, and it's April. Ah, look at that. And look, here's my time lapse. Ooh, it's running low on battery. Hang in there, little GoPro. Finish strong for me. Finish strong. Don't die until the till the sun peaks behind those trees, please. I forgot to charge it before I did this. Oh well, we'll see if she catches any fish. Just because we're camping doesn't mean we have to rough it. But we're not. I'm not gonna say that we're glampers. Even though we're in a motorhome, I'm not gonna say that we're glamping. This is only 30 feet. It's not like the biggest, most luxurious accommodations. I mean, it's a little tight. But this is camping, baby. Look at this. Look at the view. Let me just sit here and enjoy some breakfast, and then we're gonna go out, probably ride the bikes, and we're gonna show you a little bit of the park. I'm gonna eat first. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Millers Ferry, Army Corps of Engineer campground here in Alabama. It's beautiful. We got nice spot here on the water. Some of you might recognize this spot. We stayed here back in December and it was very cold and chilly, but it was such a beautiful location we decided to come back, give it another shot. It's a beautiful day for camping. Hey, if you're new here, welcome to the channel. I'm a veteran. My wife's originally from Russia, hence Vet Ruski. We plan on traveling full-time. This was a retirement goal of ours. It wasn't a COVID thing. We actually ordered this RV February of 2020 before COVID was really a thing. So, and this was our game plan, to slowly work our way into full-time travel. We're not going to be, you know, I give credit to a lot of people. They sell the house and head out on the road, but we're not, you know, quite that, how do you want to call it? I'm more risk adverse. That's how I want to say it. Yeah, a little bit more conservative in the stock portfolio. So yeah, we're not going to like sell the house and head on out and just, no, we're going to take, you know, well, we took all last year. We're going to probably take this year before we head out. We were hoping for maybe this year to head out, but with COVID having so much of the country still shut down, I really don't see the point in going out full time, because the whole point is to go out, see the country, and check out all the cool things this country has to offer. You know, like I said, my wife's originally from Russia. She came to this country. She wants to see a lot of it. Me as a veteran, I served to protect this country and enjoy all the freedoms that we have, so I want to see it. But when I first got out of the Army, I drove over the road, and there was a lot of the country I got to see. But being in a 18-wheeler, it was a little too big to get into all the cool little things that I wanted to see. So now we have the RV. We're going to be towing our vehicle. So pretty much won't have too many places that we can't get to. Now, we're not four-wheel drive. We won't be able to go there, but it's okay. We are going to bring you all the wonders of all 50 states. I know we can't get to all 50 states in the RV. There's no way of getting the RV to Hawaii. But yeah, there's 5 U.S. territories. We've already been to 1. Check out our video on the U.S. Virgin Islands. Well, we've been to St. Croix. We haven't been to St. Thomas. And our goal is 50 countries. So far, we have videos on a small part of Amsterdam. We definitely plan on going back to the Netherlands. We've been to a little bit of Russia, which we definitely plan on going back. There's a lot more to Russia to see. We've been to Panama. There's a lot more to see in Panama. So when we full time, we'll be able to spend more than just a week or 2 there. So I hope U.S. and world travels excite you and you'll join us in our journey. So waiting on the wife to get ready, and we're gonna go for a little bike ride. says you can't. Yeah, whoa, kid. Oh my God, man. You know how long it's been since it's been on a damn swing? Ooh, it is dizzying. Wow. Man, I think I used to try to get so high and then jump off these things. I'd probably break something anymore if I did that. Adults being kids again. Hey, nothing wrong with that. We're here to have fun. Woo, my God. Wow. I'm dizzy, man. Oh, shit. Yeah, that's fun. Look at the size of this thing, man. Gee. All right, except for the bugs, it's fun. Well, this is the beach area of the campground, and it's closed due to COVID. Yeah, we're not really supposed to be here, but you know, I wanted to show this to you. But you know, you're outdoors. I get that we have to take the COVID stuff serious, but this is outdoors, fresh air. You can tell the beach hasn't been maintained in quite a while, because it's you really have a hard time walking on that. But there's an old bridge right there. Maybe we can get over to onto that. Let's go see if we can find that for you. There's actually tire tracks on here. I know this used to be for car traffic at one point, but I don't think I would drive my car on here anymore. Yeah, there's a lot of deterioration here. Like, look. But I think it's probably more than safe enough for us to walk on. Otherwise, they would close it. Cool, man. Check it out. There's our campground. There's the beach. There's the new road. Oh, look at that over there. All right. We're gonna head over there next. Houston, we have a problem. We got a problem. My shoe fell apart. Yeah. That's the bottom of my shoe. These are what they call clipless, if you don't know. They're locked into the pedal. And now my shoe has no bottom. Oh, I need these shoes. We're getting old. But I don't bike enough to... Guess I'm gonna have to get some new shoes. Look at her. There's not a flower she won't pass without taking a picture of.
Yes, honey.
You're lucky you're beautiful.
No.
So I have a hot wife. All right. Now we're gonna try to cross the road with my blown out shoe. This is fun. Wow. Oh man, only me. All right, this is across the street. The sign says training dike. Not sure what a training dike is, but look, it looked like it used to be a ball field there. A little playground. Little swing set. Hot wife. Wow, basketball hoops. I actually have nets. And you got a little fishing table or picnic table here. And right there off in the distance is the dam. End of the road. It's pretty peaceful out here except for the noise of the cars going over the bridge, but not a bad place. Too bad it's overcast out today, but you know, can't always be sunny when you camping. All right, let's find the wife. Look at her, she's eating the berries that grow on these like really thorny vines. So, yeah, blackberries, when they're black, they're ripe. She's eating them. We just had breakfast. This is what it's all about. This is why we come out here camping. The peace, the quiet, the serenity, for the most part. You hear it? That's right, you don't hear much. That's why we come out here. Enjoy some peace, quiet, nature, beautiful scenery. Alright guys, we're going to enjoy a little bit of quiet time. No outdoor TVs, no playing music through the speakers on the outside, no Bluetooth boom boxes, no cell phones. Just some quality time. That's what it's all about. We've had one little problem with the site here. There are lots of ants built up everywhere. They're all the way down like the sidewalk here. And we've had a bit of an infestation come into the RV. Let me see. You can see all the dead ants here. You can see all the dead ants right here. So normally I have a gallon jug of bug spray I keep. It's a pump. It's a gallon jug and you squeeze the trigger and I keep that in here for this reason. Over the winter time we had temperatures dip into the 20s, so I took everything that was liquid or batteries out of here and brought them inside the house, and I forgot to pack them because the wife stuck it somewhere and it was no longer like in view. It was in the laundry room. But I did find one thing that works. for ants in a pinch, and that's mosquito spray. I sprayed the RV with mosquito spray, and that worked. The downside is I found the mosquito spray is not very decal friendly. It is kind of damaged the striping here. A little bit up there, it's not as bad, but we shared a good and a bad. Everything we learned here, that's what we try to do on our camping adventures. Said normally I keep a gallon jug, but I forgot it. But I mean, the mosquito spray worked. It got the ants out of here. Like I said, unfortunately we just did a little bit of damage to the vinyl striping, so if you're gonna do that, keep that in mind. If you have really expensive paint, might want to spray them and then immediately wipe it off, but it did help us in a little bit of a pinch. All right, I'll go back to camping here. This is what we do. All right, Millers Ferry, Army Corps Engineer Campground here in something, Alabama. Camden, Alabama. So what'd you think?
It's nice.
Nice.
Very spacious, quiet, pretty.
Yeah, so the pros are you have a lot of separation between the sites for the most part. There's a lot of woods. With it being an Army Corps Engineer site, like most of them, it's on the water. So most of the sites are waterfront or some type of water view. Some have private docks. Very peaceful, very quiet. I think probably because there's not a lot around here. And that also leads to the cons. That if you're needing something, stores and that are quite a distance away. There's really not a lot around here. The one town, Camden, it's not too far off, but you will have to make a trek in the town. There's nothing very close. And any other cons to it? Only other con will be there's no like on-site septic, so if when your tanks are full, you have to go to a common dump station. But I mean, I'd rather have at least a common dump station than nothing. So you do have hookups on site. We have water, power, and a common dump station. So very, very nice, very peaceful. Like I said, you're in the middle of nowhere. If you do have a boat, ours has a private dock here, and you can, if you have a boat, you can tie up to that, or there's a boat ramp you can use. The beach, as of right now, is currently closed due to COVID, so hopefully that will change in the future. But if you just want a quiet place, just someplace to come, relax, this is a place. Cell service is a little iffy. We do need a cell booster to get any kind of like coverage. I mean, outside it does work a little bit, but for the most part we kind of need a booster if we need decent bandwidth. So hopefully you enjoyed our camping trip, enjoyed this, and you'll join us for our adventures around the U.S. and our RV and our adventures around the world. We'll get you subscribed. I've got lots of links down below to save you some money on a ton of merchandise, so check that out. Check out our Amazon store if you're curious about any of the items we use in the RV and stuff we use to film for the YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like, shares, comments appreciated, and stay safe. We'll see you by the campfire. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. It's your crybaby dog. No fun.
We didn't get any worms. Because you didn't let me.
I didn't let you. Bullshit.
Yeah. Because you were in a hurry. Okay, let's go.
You had all week to get you some damn worms.
Don't even. All week. Was working all week.